A good EDC setup is a crucial part of being able to protect yourself, but it's so easy to get tired of carrying everything around on your body, and before you know it, you just stop carrying altogether. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I carry every day in my simple EDC backpack. The most important thing that I have, what the heck is this? This video is sponsored by Dry Fire Mags. Dry Fire Mags are an incredible tool that I use every day to make the most out of my dry fire training. Dry Fire Mags insert into your gun just like a regular mag and allow you to pull the trigger over and over and get a click every time without racking the slide. You can practice trigger press, target transitions, follow-up shots, shooting faster, and so much more. Pick yours up today and make the most out of your dry fire training. Use code WORKMAN10 for 10% off. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. So this is Lynx Defense EDC backpack, and they did send this one to me for free to test out for you guys, and I'm also an affiliate with them. So if you want to get your own and you want to support the channel, then check out my affiliate link in the description. I really like the size of this pack. It's big enough to hold everything without being too bulky. The whole point of an EDC pack is to be small and light so that you'll actually carry it and not have to have everything in your pockets. One of the things that I really like about this backpack is that it has a specific slot in the back for level 3 body armor. So you could essentially flip this bag over to the front of your chest and you've got a makeshift Kevlar vest. But I'm cheap, so I don't have that. So one thing about this backpack that I'm not crazy about is it looks just a little bit tactical. But if you want to kind of dress it down, I actually plan on getting like some Marvel patches to stick here. So it looks more like a regular dude backpack than a tactical backpack. This pocket down here, I've got a pure protein bar, because snacks are important. Business cards. In this bigger front pocket here, I've got an extra battery pack for a phone or a flashlight or anything that you need to charge. I really like these. My Mac charger, and a little notebook in case I want to jot some notes down or write some YouTube ideas down, something like that. And then over in the side here is a water bottle pocket, which is really nice. It'll hold like a big Gatorade bottle or like a big tumbler or something like that. And then it's got this like drawstring if you want it like really tight to make sure it doesn't come out. It's also got rubberized like grippy texture on the straps, which is kind of hard to like see fully without feeling it, but it's really nice. It feels like really good quality. This top pouch here is kind of my go-to, quick grab section. I've got a SWAT tee, tourniquet, pins there, always come in handy. I've got one spare mag. I don't always carry with a spare mag. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
How dare you!
Lately, I haven't really been. So I'm just running this in the backpack just on the slim chance that I would need one. I've got an extra pocket knife. This is one that I really like. It was my grandpa's. It's kind of sentimental to me. That's just massive. And so I don't always carry it in my pocket, so I like to stick it in here. I've got this little cheap multi-tool with some little pliers. And of course, it's got a knife and a screwdriver and all that good stuff. And then I've got this flashlight. This is from Ace Beam. It's the TAC 2 AAA. It's a nice everyday carry light. It's super, super bright. And it's a good like handheld size, but it's just a little bit too long to keep in my pocket for my comfort level. I like something much smaller. And it's got a reversible clip, so you can just clip it into your hat and you've got a super bright headlamp. Let's get into the main pocket here. So I've got just a pullover jacket. I told you guys, this is just my regular everyday carry stuff, right? Gotta have a jacket. And then I've got my MacBook. There's a slot separately in the back here for a computer, so that's nice. And this, I think, is the most important thing that I have in my everyday carry backpack. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll show you the 2 EDC items that I refuse to carry in a backpack. This is my trauma kit. So you guys have probably seen this one before if you've watched some other videos on my channel, but this is my trauma kit from Mountain Man Medical. And this is a great everyday carry kit. It's got a tourniquet, chest seals, Kaido gauze, trauma shears, all that good stuff in case you are in a defensive encounter and you get wounded. I've actually had to use this kit 5 different times and replace some of the stuff in it because I've had to use it, mostly in car accidents. That's kind of the most common. But a trauma kit is super important to carry, and most people don't want to carry on their body. Wintertime where I'm wearing long pants and I'm out and about, I'll wear my ankle kit, which is great, but I realize that most of you don't want to do that. It's kind of a hassle to carry something pretty big and bulky on your ankle. One of the easiest solution is to carry a simple everyday carry backpack with a good sized trauma kit in it. Then you can carry all this other stuff that you might need. All right, so this is funny. I'm digging in the bottom of this backpack and I'm like, what the heck is this? This looks like a snail shell that one of my kids threw in my backpack at some point. So what are the two self-defense items that I refuse to carry in a backpack? The first is my pepper spray. So this is POM Pepper Spray. This is the one that I carry every day. If I need it, I'm gonna need it really quick. So I don't have time to dig around in my backpack for it. I want it to be in my pocket where I can get to it quickly and flip the top and go to work. The other thing that I refuse to carry in my backpack is my everyday carry gun. This stays on me because, again, if I need it, then I'm probably gonna need it in a hurry. I carry my everyday carry gun in this wacky holster from Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video. Eclipse Holsters makes really good quality Kydex holsters, and they have a ton of different prints and colors to choose from, and they ship in just 3 days, which is kind of unheard of in the holster world. If you need a good holster, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. And of course, I've got this holster on the PHLster Enigma, which is a beltless carry option that I recommend. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.